Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for April and it is Toyl. My address is on the top there. Toyl stands for Time of Your Life, and if you're new to the subscription and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside their April box, then you'll find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box is kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. They have also given me a £5 off code to share with you, which is geek. I'll pop that down below in my description, as well as links to this subscription and any offers or limited editions they have on their website. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. Toyl is a monthly beauty subscription for women of midlife, say from 35 years and over. Inside you'll find everything beauty related, specifically chosen for you by an award-winning blogger and an Amazon best-selling author, Karen, who also has podcasts. She does unboxings on social media as well. I'm 45 years old. I'm nearly 46 in a couple of months time. I feel like this box is definitely for me, if that makes sense. It just feels like the products that are chosen are specifically for my skin's needs. You know, we change, our skins change, our hair changes. What might work for us in our 20s might not work for us in our 40s, and I really like that about this subscription. There's lots of information about the products. Karen herself talks through the products, talks how to use them in YouTube videos and on Instagram as well. The cost of the box has gone up a little bit. It's now £39.99 a month, and currently it's only available in the UK. If you're watching this and you've been subscribed to Toyl for a couple of months, then your price will remain at £35. The contents of the box has a minimum value of around £100. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything I've missed out, then please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside their April box. Oh, I did forget one thing. If you want to have a sneak peek what the following month's box is going to be, then around the 18th of the month, Karen, the owner, releases the contents in a Instagram live. I believe it's an Instagram live and maybe on the Facebook page as well. So you're able to see the contents and then decide if that box is for you or not. So if you are a subscriber and you think, do you know what, it's not really for me that month, you've got the option to pause it. So if you don't mind spoilers, then that is for you. So inside we get a leaflet and it details everything about the products inside this box, as well as the theme, which I'll talk to you a little bit. And let's open it up, give you a sneak peek. There, I'm going to just shove them on the floor, tidy up afterwards. Oh, we got a little chocolate in there as well. There, you're not going to see much, but I just wanted to give you a sneak peek. So going back to this leaflet then, a little mini happy Easter treat from all of us at Toyl and our friends. I love these. I absolutely love these. So yeah, thank you. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this box and why they've chosen these products. The Ultimate Colour Correct box. Why? Because when I went to see the dermatologist about my lines and wrinkles, she was actually more interested in evening out my skin tone, because that is, in her opinion, just as aging as fine lines. We can't pack her whizzy machines into this box, but we can use products to get great results, so I've blown the budget, and our friends at Stila have given us access to, in my opinion, one of the best skin tone colour correcting products for all skin tones. Luxury British beauty brand Oskia, created by the incredible Georgie Cleve, is a ceramide based serum that we need in our lives. Ceramides help retain moisture to even out fine lines, calm skin, ready for colour correction, and block pollution damage, which will be on the rise as we start spending more time outdoors. Couple this with 2 further products and 2 treats from me worth £12.95 and 49p respectively. No expense spared here, and I hope you love your April and Easter box. I'll see you on the lives. Timings are below, and have a wonderful Easter weekend. She'll be live on the 4th of April, 5:30 on Instagram and 6 o'clock on Facebook. If you have any questions about the content, what she said makes sense. It's not just about Botox and fillers and things like that to keep you looking youthful. I haven't got anything, and I've never had anything, and I'm too scared to have any Botox or fillers in my face. I'm just too scared. But good skincare, really good skincare is key, isn't it? I'll stop talking now, but I just thought, yeah, that resonates with me quite a bit. Right then, first product in the box. We have got Oskia London Isotonic Hydra Serum Intensive Biometric Hydration with hyaluronic acid, electrolytes, amino acids and ceramides. We've got 30 mils here. Isotonic Hydra Serum. Let's try a little bit on my hand. Yeah, it feels really nice. No particular scent. This is full size and it retails for £64. This serum calms, and if we are colour correcting with this box, we want calm skin. Oskia is a British luxury brand, and this serum is one of their award-winning bestsellers, suitable for all skin types. The oat-based ceramides support the lipid barrier, creating a great base for Stila. This lightweight hydration serum infuses instant and long-term moisture to quench thirsty skin, and clinically proven to increase and regulate skin hydration by up to 34% after 1 hour and 30% 4 weeks. Or was that after 4 hours? I don't know. Calming and comforting, it also replenishes vital ingredients and supports the skin mantle and barrier function. And Karen's top tip, this is part of my serum wardrobe. I want to encourage you to genuinely look at your skin in the morning and at night and start thinking about what it is it's telling you. If it's telling you that it's dry, this is the time for the serum, as it will retain moisture and protect from the elements. I'd use this AM as I use retinol at night, but totally up to you. So there's that. Next is the Stila product I'm really excited about. This is the One Step Correct Skin Tone Correcting and Brightening Primer, and there's 30 mils here. I have never tried this. Can you believe it? I've never tried it. I wanted to because it just looks beautiful. It does look absolutely beautiful. Look. Look at all the colours. I love the idea of this. It says all-in-one serum, primes, colour corrects, brightens and moisturises. So before I try it, let's tell you about it. So it retails for £28. This innovative triple swirled helix serum instantly primes, colour corrects, brightens and nourishes skin for a flawless face with no fuss. This revolutionary product contains 3 colour correcting pigments to even out your complexion. Green tone instantly neutralises redness and conceals blemishes. Lavender tone counteracts sallow undertones for a vibrant, energised look. And peach tone brightens, illuminates and helps diminish the appearance of sunspots. I would use this after my moisturiser and before SPF. So cleanse, pad, serum, colour correct, SPF, and then any tinted foundation that I'm going to put on. Let it rest for a few minutes before applying sunscreen on top so it has time to do its work. It can be worn with makeup but still use SPF. And Karen's top tip, you may end up using less foundation and concealer, as this will balance and correct most discoloration, so you don't have to pile on the makeup. Ooh, because the colour mixes together. It's like a gloopy greeny orange. See? Oh, I do really like it. Has it got like a slight shimmer in it? Has it? I don't know. Just to give like a dewy look. I'm not sure if the camera will be able to pick that up. That is beautiful. I really like that. I cannot wait to try it on my skin. So yeah, so we've got a Stila primer there. Next up we got some pads, and I've got these already and they are brilliant. They are really lovely. They're a no acid pads by Indeed Laboratories, a gentle alternative to acids, and there's 30 pads in here. I'm not going to open them up because you have to rip the seal off there, and because it's quite liquidy in there with the pads, because I've already got some, so I'll keep these to the side and use them afterwards. So these retail for £19.99. These pads are packed with active probiotics and natural extracts from yarrow and Japanese cedar buds to gently exfoliate to remove dead skin cells and strengthen the skin's barrier function for a more radiant and even complexion. These are the perfect foundation for your serum, as it will be applied to exfoliated skin with cells ready to receive rather than onto dead skin. Formulated for all skin types including sensitive and acne prone, no acid pads work gently yet effectively to reduce the appearance of enlarged pores, fine lines, wrinkles and uneven skin texture. You can use AM and PM after cleansing. And Karen's top tip, when you get these pads, take the foil off the top that keep the moisture in. Take the whole lot out and turn the whole pile upside down before putting them back in the pot. Okay, this is because gravity might take the moisture to the bottom, so the top ones may need a bit of rehydrating. Makes sense? Yeah, absolutely it makes sense. I never even thought of doing that. Can you hear my puppy? She's very loud, very loud. She just wants me all the time. I've got, you might have heard me mention in different videos, I've got she's now 12 weeks old today, a little golden retriever. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. Very noisy, very noisy. My husband and daughter are downstairs. They're supposed to be looking after her so that I can film. Next up, we got another product from Oskia London. This is Super C Smart Nutrient Beauty Capsules, and there's 7 here. I've tried these before as well. Yeah, they're really nice. Look at them. Look at them. There's 7 little capsules there. These retail for £11. Vitamin C oxidizes, i.e. starts to break down when in contact with air, so these capsules keep each dose super fresh. These are a topical antioxidant to fight free radicals that damage skin, and the effect you'll see, brightening, glow, all good stuff we want on our skin as we even out that tone. Super C beauty capsules contain a supercharged blend of smart nutrients and actives to boost skin health, protect, hydrate and nourish for youthfully radiant skin with 2% super vitamin C, smart vitamin E, squalene and tomato lycopene. And Karen's top tip, I would use these in the morning so everyone can see the glow effect these give, and because I'm using retinol at night, but do whatever works for you. Yeah. Got 7-day capsules of vitamin C there. Then lastly, we've got Weed and Wonderful Pure Seaweed. Dr. Seaweed, organic Scottish seaweed, natural source of iodine, thyroid health, metabolism, cognitive function. Feel wonderful in 30 days. Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's read about it. I'm thrilled to bring you 2 very different happiness bombs for April to say Happy Easter. One of them is the Lindt chocolate, and this is the other. Dr. Seaweed's Weed and Wonderful Pure Seaweed Iodine Supplements. There's a 30-day supply and they retail for £12.95. This supplement is fantastic. Feel wonderful with seaweed. It provides essential nutrition lacking in most diets and boosts skin health, thyroid function, cognitive performance and energy. All natural and backed by science. I've been testing this supplement for weeks and I can hand on heart say it's been fantastic for my skin and nails. Brilliant product in my humble opinion. Ooh. Well, I have an underactive thyroid, so I need to find out whether this will help it. I'm assuming it would if I'm lacking in thyroid, but then I'm taking medication for my thyroid. I take T3. Yeah, I don't know. I have to look into it, as I do with all supplements. I've also just started HRT. I never thought I would be starting HRT in my 40s, but yeah, I'm a week in and obviously no improvements yet, but it's going okay. I take estrogen gel in the morning and then progesterone tablets at night for 12 days of the month. I've been suffering with perimenopausal symptoms for the last, say, 2-3 years, and they're just getting worse and worse and worse. Although I'm still having periods, but they are months and months apart, but I'm still having periods. So yeah, so I need to find out I need to see if this is all right with being on HRT as well. But yeah, I do love supplements. I do take a load of them. So those are all the products inside this month's Toyl beauty box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got an Oskia London Isotonic Hydra Serum. We've got a Stila One Step Correct, a colour correcting primer. We've got a pot of no acid pads by Indeed Laboratories. We've got a 7-day sample of Oskia London Pure Vitamin C capsules. We've got a month's supply of Pure Seaweed supplements. And as it's Easter, we've got a little chocolate rabbit, which is going to be demolished very soon. Thank you to Karen for sending this box out to me. Yeah, I'm really excited about the products. I cannot wait to try this. Really cannot wait to try this. As I mentioned, I've already got these and they are really, really great. I do really like them. And I received them in a different subscription box sometime last year. I'm really happy to have these capsules. This serum, it sounds really, really lovely as well. So no, another good box. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this subscription? Are you a subscriber? Have you received your box yet? What's the standout product for you? Or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So please comment down below. Take care and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.